1 minute of market open, 9:16 a.m. Sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically, it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Through these calls, you can do manual trading, auto trading. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trading also. And on daily basis, in intraday market, it will give the calls. So through these entries only, you are going to do the trades. And if you want the chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide the plan detail in WhatsApp. And it's October 25th market. We are watching Friday market in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. And in few minutes, I will show option chart also. So you will have an idea about the Bank Nifty option. It's a chart only. So you can change script like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil. So for that also the signal will come. Through that signal, you can do your tradings. Let's come back to Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. And here 9:16 a.m. sell call, red color candle. So can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is our entry line. Below line are target line. Above line is the stop loss line. So the entry point is sell at 51,491. First target is 363. It's more than 120 point. First target range more than 100 point target. So like this daily, this chart will analyze the candle movement automatically. In first 10 minutes itself, a 100 point breakout happened. But after a volatile only, it successfully break out the target. So 15 minutes of market momentum, 9:15 to 9:30, it strongly break out the target. Out of the money, 51,000 put option. Next week is a monthly expiry. So monthly expiry we are watching. 51,000 put option. The buy call came at 200 range and market move up to the 250 and continuously going opposite direction only. So like this you can change script in the money, at the money, out of the money option, and you can watch it also. And after market was continuous bearish momentum in Bank Nifty future. As you can see that red color candles, it's full of red only today's market. And market is going continuous downside and breakout more than 200, 300 point. So if you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.